Hi, I'm Dr. Pallavi. I'm doing my fellowship in GGIRHR. I've just finished my comprehensive ultrasound training in GGIRHR under Dr. Supriya Sheshadri ma'am. Dr. Supriya ma'am took us both theory class as well as practical classes. In theory class, all the basics concept of anatomy was discussed, all the basic concepts of ultrasound was discussed, which was followed by the practical hands-on training. We had a simulator-based hands-on training for our ultrasound course, where it contained many modules. So each module had to be trained one day. We had training of each module one day, which was later followed by the corrections and discussion of module. So the next day when we did the modules, we had all the corrections incorporated from the previous days, and then we had completed that modules also, which has lots of clinical cases. So I am now more confident in doing real-time scans for my patient. The GGIRHR also has comprehensive training only for TVS as well. So I highly recommend, if not for fellowship course, I highly recommend at least taking that ultrasound course for the clinicians. Thank you.